Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to make Hara Chana Barfi. These are the ingredients. Grind the Hara Chana into a fine paste. You can add some milk if needed. In a pan, heat ghee on a medium flame. Once the ghee is hot, add the Hara Chana paste and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring continuously. Mix it well. Add 1 cup of sugar and khoya to the Hara Chana paste. Continue cooking for another 10 to 15 minutes. Stirring continuously. Add some nuts and cardamom powder until the mixture starts to leave the sides of the pan. Grease a square-shaped tray or a plate with ghee and transfer the mixture to it. Spread it evenly and garnish it with chopped nuts. Allow the mixture to cool down and set for about an hour.